What is up, YouTube? How is everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having an amazing freaking day. I know it's been a few days since I made a video, but I've been busy here doing things, obviously. And unfortunately, I can't get a lot of videos out right now because I'm super duper busy. But that's okay, because now you guys have a video, and we're gonna try to get more videos out for you guys. I know it's the beginning of the year here, and I hope everybody's having a great beginning of the year. But we have something cool that we're gonna be starting to do today, and I hope you guys are excited about it. But we have, yes, we have a move bumper right there. Move bumper for the good old Dirty Max. I'm super duper excited. Super excited. As you know, I have the Move front bumper that I recently just got done, or my buddy recently just got done helping me weld up and everything. I gotta clean it up a little bit, getting a little rusty in there. Got to put some spray paint in there. We definitely got our last fit lights in. I actually fixed the one piece here. I took the bumper back off and re-welded that piece so I could put my last fit lights in. And I also put my fog lights on the outside and my floods on the inside. You guys helped me correct that. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Still looking for a winch. Still very interested in getting a winch. Got my winch mount done. I haven't figured out what I want to go with yet, but we're still working on that. But as you guys can see, the Move front bumper has turned out phenomenal. I've gotten so many compliments on this front bumper. People just love it. They love the look. It definitely has given the truck a much meaner look. And of course, like I said, now we have a rear bumper to assemble. The difference with the rear bumper here, and I have to tell you something, guys. Okay, I have to tell you something. Move just boxes their shit so crazy, it's not even funny. I gotta show you. I gotta show you. Here's the box. Here's the Move box, basically. And we're gonna open this guy up. Here, hold on. We're gonna open it up. Look at that. Look at that. You literally have to cut your way out. It's like they foam the hell out of it, which is awesome, not gonna lie. It definitely keeps things nice and safe and keeps things from bending all over the place. But I'm gonna be honest with you, it's a pain in the ass to get out of the box. So good job, Move, for making me work. Thank you. The other thing we got from Move is a set of pod lights. We got some flush mount lights. Let's go ahead and take a look at those. We got them over here. They're from a company called North. Right here, North. Pull one out here. These are their flush mount. And basically, they're gonna go into here like so. And they fit pretty good, you know? They definitely are gonna have to be centered up a good bit, but they definitely fit nice in there. The blue is just a covering, you pull that off. But yeah, they definitely fit nice in there. I'm gonna have to drill some holes for the bolts and everything. Not a big deal. Not too terribly concerned about that at all. So basically what Move wants you to do here is, as opposed to welding this on the truck, and you will be, we will be obviously welding this on the truck, you have to. Unlike the front bumper you started out with the center piece and the mounts, and then you tacked on every other piece off of that while measuring. With the rear bumpers are a little different. You basically lay them on a flat ground, and to be honest, I don't have any flat tables. It's the flattest area I could find. And I measured everything out and leveled everything out, and then I used shims to shim everything exactly where I needed it to be. That way it all fit correctly, and this is what I came up with. Basically using pieces of metal and stuff from the kit, you know, side pieces, and obviously using other pieces from the shop to get this leveled out so I can use my welder and tack this together. And basically what you do is you tack it together, make it that you can lift the whole unit up as one unit, and then you put the mounts on the back of the truck, and then you weld this, you put this up against, or have somebody hold it up against it, and you tack it on to the mounts, and then you pull the mounts off. And then at that point, well, you can put the sides on while it's on the truck and all that stuff, but tack that all together, as you will see. And then you pull it off and you weld it all together and paint it just like I did the front bumper. But I think this thing's gonna really change the game on the truck. It's gonna make it look freaking monstrous and just nasty along with the front bumper. And it's gonna look cool as hell, guys, cool as hell. So let's get tacking. Let's get tacking. I'm definitely getting better at my welding skills. Not gonna lie. Anybody need to move bumper welder together? I got you. I got you. We'll show you these welds then. You'll be like, damn, he's getting good at welding. Oh, it broke. Dang! Yeah, my welder broke. I need a new welder. Anyone want to donate a new welder to the DFR cause here? This thing's ancient. It's literally ancient. I probably had this welder for 10 years, and it welded half of the front bumper together, and my buddy used his other welder that he had to weld the rest of it together. But this thing is done good. Little MIG 1 filler, 140, 115 volt wire welder. This thing will get it done. The gun's a piece of shit though. I keep taping it on, it keeps getting hot and coming back off again. But here's my welds, guys. Look at that. Oh my God. I should be a professional fabricator. Look at me. Look at this. Look at that. Look at this. Would you just look at this? Would you look at that? Would you just look at that weld? Look at that. Just look at that. Just look at it. Just take a look. It's not the best weld, obviously, but it's just a tack weld just to hold the bumper together, which I hope it does. We should probably test it. We should probably test to make sure that the bumper is going to stay together. So here we go, guys. Let's, yeah, seems pretty stout. Yeah, look at that, one whole piece. Damn, actually, you know what? Let's look at the back side. Oh, good penetration. Look at that penetration, guys. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh, that makes me freaking happy. That makes me super happy. That means I'm doing something good. That little welder's doing that kind of penetration. I'm doing something good, and that makes me happy. So now she's all tacked up, and basically what we have to do at this point is we have to remove the old bumper off the truck, which is kind of going to be a pain in the ass because there's a lot of rusted bolts on there. Hopefully none of them break out. But we're going to go ahead and remove the old bumper, and then we got to get this one lined up and onto the mount area, and then I guess I could probably come through the holes here. There's block plates for the holes here, but through the holes here to weld the mounts or tack the mounts on, and then tack the sides on and everything like that. So let's get rolling. All right, guys, so we have the bumper tacked on. Zach helped me make everything level and everything. So yeah, I didn't show you that part, but we were just too busy trying to make sure everything was measured. And as you can see, I've got my tacks here on the back side. Just holding the bumper in place basically while Zach helps me do this here and stuff. We'll go ahead and look at this here as well. So we got some tacks there helping it. The bumper is level, which is freaking awesome. Man, that's good. That's good to go. Good to go. So basically we'll set up the camera here and we're gonna start tacking all these other little pieces on. And then at that point we can actually pull the bumper back off and start really welding it together. What's that?
I said the doing. Why am I holding you hammer?
And then I can have you do that. So hold this. You know what, this might work. I'm gonna weld it right here and here, and then we're gonna push this down, okay? Damn! Thank you, Zach.
I'm gonna kick it.
It ain't gonna break. Let's get the flashlight here. Ooh, doggy. So we got everything in except for our buckets, which we're not gonna put on right now. But man, that's not, oh yeah. Put my feet in there.
Climb on it.
I'm not climbing on it.
Climb on it.
I'm not.
These wheels ain't going nowhere. Climb on it.
It's level. Look at that. That looks so good. That looks so freaking good, dude. Damn, Move Bumpers makes a hell of a product. They make a hell of a product. We got to put the plates in here. That's where my lights are going to go. Oh my God, look at that, guys. Look at that.
Now, imagine how good it would look if there was a good welder behind it.
Shut up. So you're probably asking yourself, Andy, why is your old bumper back on? Well, listen, guys, there's a great explanation for this. It's because, obviously, I'm not going to be finishing this today. The Move bumper is all tacked up for the most part. We got to put the footwells in, which we'll do. We got the mounts welded up. Everything fits nice and precise. I went ahead and put my old bumper back on the truck because obviously, you know, you can't run around without a bumper on your truck. I mean, you can, but this ain't Florida. So I ended up putting the old one back on. That way, at least there's a bumper on. Plus, there's a few things that I need to do with this bumper that is going to take a little bit to do between working here at the shop and modifying this bumper. But obviously, I need to weld it. I need to grind the welds. And I need to find a home for, like, for example, you know, that guy right there for my tire. So I can take my tire down if I need to. I got to measure out and figure out where that goes there and cut that out. The other thing I need to do is for my 5-pin and my 4-pin hookup here, guys. I need to make sure, like, originally this was just bolted to the bumper underneath with a bracket. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it right here, but I'm just going to cut it out in the shape. I'm going to use that as a template and cut that out into a shape to where I can just take, because this actually pops out of here, pop that out and put that guy right in there, make it look nice and clean. Plus, I also need to do something about LED lights for the license plate as well. So that's these plates right here. So I need to modify these plates, cut a hole in them, do something to put an LED light in there for the license plate. Plus I need to weld on the hooks and all that jazz. So obviously it's going to take a little bit of work and a little bit more time, just like the Move front bumper, to get this bumper perfect. And once it is perfect and grind it down and flapper disked just like the front bumper, then at that point, only at that point, then I can clean it and paint it with Raptor liner. And at that point, I guess, and I pulled the old bumper off, and obviously there's holes here because I used them as access holes to get into where these bolts are. So I'm gonna hammer that shut. It's not gonna look the prettiest, but I really don't care. It's gonna have one badass bumper on the back of this truck in a matter of a week or so. But yeah, between doing stuff here at the shop and whatnot, I'm gonna take my time and do this, make this look really, really spiffy. Basically, it's gonna look just as good as this Move front bumper. Actually, let's open the bay door here so you guys get a good idea. Just like in the beginning of the video, but yeah, it's gonna look titties. So it's gonna basically just look like that. The only difference is it's going to be a back bumper, not a front bumper. But things like this do definitely take time, guys. And you know, it is what it is. It's not something that happens overnight. Yeah, you know, if I spent an entire day on this project and really like busted ass to get it done, I could, but it wouldn't be to my liking, and I guarantee you I wouldn't be happy with the results because I rushed it. And I'm not a big fan of rushing things. I don't like rushing things at all. I like to take my time and make sure they're done right, done correctly, and that way at the end of the day I have a nice, awesome product that was built by me, done by me, and I'm satisfied with it. I can look at it every day and be like, I did that. you know, I did that. I did that. Not like gas prices, you know what I mean? But yeah, there we go. Let's go up to the office, end this video. All right, guys, wow. All done. Zach helped me take the freaking, whatchamacallit, the bumper, and put it on some jack stands. Thank you, Zach. He's got to go to work, so he's not happy. Are you not happy? I'm literally talking to you. You're not even paying attention. You're like, whatever, dude. Who are you again? You know what? That's okay. That's okay. You don't need this. Unbelievable. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video so far. Like I said, we're going to go ahead and get that thing welded up, and then we're going to paint it and get all the bells and whistles done on it. And obviously at that point, we'll have a video of installation. We'll probably do a video of painting it and installation and stuff like that, and final thoughts, all that, you know, fun jazz. But I got gas in my throat. Oh my God, or my stomach is somewhere, I don't know. But other than that, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely go down below in the links and the sponsor links, moves down there, move bumpers. If you guys are interested in one of their bumpers, go check them out, guys, and go buy a bumper. They make a hell of a product. I will say, and I said this before in previous videos, I had my doubts when I did the front bumper and I got the front, well, when I got the front bumper, I had my doubts if their bumper stuff was going to be good, because it's DIY. I was like, oh man, it's going to take so much fabrication. And as you've seen from the front bumper and even this video as well, tacking these things together is cake, especially if you have another person handy to hold pieces in place for you. It is a very, very easy thing to do, and all you need is a welder. And I'm not a good welder at all, and even I can weld this thing together myself and grind it down and flapper disc it and all that stuff. So I'm super excited to see it all done. It's going to make the truck look even 10 times better than it did when it had the front bumper done and put on. So I'm super excited about that, guys. We do have a very big update coming for the Ghost Trans Am. You guys are going to be liking it, believe me, when it does happen. But we have a very big update for that coming. That will be going drag racing this year as well. Once the, you know, weather breaks, we're having a lot of snow and rain and ice here and stuff. So keep a lookout on that. And yeah, I think that's about it. Zach's minding his business over there, so I'm not even going to show him anymore. But if you enjoyed the video, do me a favor, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing, and deuces, guys.